The currency, power, index, indicator is provided for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the chart. Also, traders can own this page to know how the indicator works. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file, and by dragging the file onto the chart, we run the indicator. With the indicator being added, an oscillator window opens at the bottom of the chart, which we can use as currency strength, allowing us to select from 8 currencies in the Forex market. For example, here on the chart, when the USD strength moves up from the 0 level, it means the USD is becoming stronger. In this case, the asset has made a decline against the dollar in the settings section. In the input section, there are options available for us. In the first part, we can select the currencies for our calculations with 8 Forex currencies listed here. The next section relates to the calculation method, which can be set to moving average based on percentage changes, or to perform all these calculations itself. The next part, if set to the all mode, should have the sum of these 3 values equal to 100. The next section pertains to the number of candles for calculation, where it is set to 1 by default, meaning it subtracts the closing price of yesterday's candle from today's closing price and divides it by today's closing price to perform its calculations. The next section is the number of candles for calculation, which is set to a default value of 2000. The next section is the moving average to prevent market fluctuations, which is set to standard mode C. By changing this number, you can increase or decrease the volatility of this indicator. The next settings are for the short moving average period, the long moving average period, and the type of moving average calculation, which can be based on the closing price, opening price, highest price, lowest price, and other options. The last section pertains to the theme or custom template of the indicator, which has 4 different options: auto, light, dark, and custom. By selecting the auto option, only the colors of the candles change, with profit candles turning bright green and bearish candles turning bright red. Selecting the light option applies a light template to the chart, while the dark option selects a dark template, and with the custom option, it keeps your customized template and only runs the indicator on the chart. Here, I select the dark template and then click the confirm option. As you can see, the dark template has been applied to my chart, and the oscillator is active for me. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy to share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.